Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today we're playing OG Fun Monkey Horror, and let's just go.
Let's go to
And I need
No, we're doing run.
You guys are going to run after this. Can we go to corner? Maze is really slow.
What did they add?
Yeah, and then they froze. Warm up. Run! They froze. Run remake is cool, but it takes a while to find.
Let me stop.
Go boys.
Yeah.
I'll be leader. I will
I'll
volunteer
just
to die
use
first.
this.
Guys, where are you? Wrong way, bro. Wait a while.
Guys, I need to get 3K views until I get the fingerprinter. To wait for 5 to 7 days. Let's go.
Who's going down there? I am not in top. Wait.
Guys, what map are we in?
Run.
Guys, I'm waiting here
Okay,
for
sure.
light.
The other cross revamp. The other cross space revamp.
Huh?
Guys, I didn't know they had blood monsters.
I think everybody died.
Where's cross space revamp? Whoop.
Be careful, bro.
My wiener hurts. Yes? He got four. Run. Oh, I got a lag spike. That means he's run. Oh, shit. I got
No.
run.
It's normal run. It's normal run.
Why is he running?
No! Stop!
I'm scared.
Ow.
I'm alone.
I scream so loud, my heart hurts. Ow. My heart hurts. Ouchie.
Guys, if it's still light, just run. Oh, my heart hurts. No shit,
Where
what do you
are
think?
you, bro?
Code brown there, shit, my pants. Oh, my heart hurts. Zion, how are you seeing through that thing? How are you seeing through that thing?
Through what?
Through that, the night's helping.
Cause they already fixed the helmet. They already fixed it.
Oh, they did?
Yeah, they fixed it.
I'm already. Run. Where? Back there, I saw him. Back there. You guys are liars, I can't trust people. I don't really trust people. It's not down there. Let's go. Yeah, you never. Legs lock, we got legs lock. Buddy, I'm like, run away. I heard something down there. No, that would have turned off.
Who's the server? Oh, I hear
What was that? She just came out of nowhere.
Oh my god.
I saw a red light down there. Come back.
Where y'all at? Where are y'all?
Guys, come back.
You have to, bro,
Guys,
buddy,
where
you have to follow our voices so you can find us.
Guys, come back.
Oh, we're back to the depth. We're back to the. We're about to get back to spawn.
Everybody, you're not good.
Matt,
You're not
hey.
go back.
hey,
Die. Just kidding. Dad. We play with you
bro, you scared, Black. You scared me, bro.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean it to burp. The monster's on me! Run! I didn't hear nothing. You guys. Oh no, guys, don't go back there. I gotta take a shit. Lay down. You over. Let it out. You do that sprint all the way through your leg. I'm gonna be waiting for you. Why you keep upside down? upside down.
Bro, how are you upside down? Bro, black is upside down. Black is upside down.
Death Hall. This is Death Hall.
Bro, how do you get yourself high upside down?
Why? Because you got died?
What map are you guys in? What map?
We're up there at. It's not.
That's only small.
You guys are just gonna take us back. This way.
Oh my shit!
Back here.
Imagine seeing the monsters.
Is this the monster spawning?
The monster does not spawn in here. It spawns in somewhere else. Map change.
No, map change to the corner. We're changing.
Map change.
Map change.
Map change.
Everybody, we're changing the map to corner.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
After that is maze. After that is maze. We're going to corner. No, maze sucks. I'd rather SCT maze.
Buddy,
After this, if anybody wants to go to SCT maze, y'all can go ahead. Bro. Actually, wait, no, I don't even like this map. No, let's vote. Yeah, this is crap. Open the door. Who votes for maze? Hey, everybody, let's do a challenge. Everybody has to stay in this room. Everybody has to stay in this room while Grandma chases. No. Bet. Right, somebody go get Grandma. Us, we stay in the room and make our Grandpa, you dumb. It's Grandma.
Yeah, it's Grandpa.
Grandpa, whatever. Everybody, don't open the door.
bro, there's someone's in the door. Someone's in the door.
That's the point. It's not even scary out there. At least that crossface is fun.
Okay, bye-bye. You have to find the monster yourself, buddy. Why did you open the door? Alright, everybody, let's go. We're corners. Everybody, let's go. It's corner, let's go journey that way. Hey, we just called a Let's go. Come on, we're journeying. He's over there. He's downstairs. I'm by. Guys, are you trying to map change? My name is Edwin. No, we're not trying to map change. The Mimic. Guys, can we map change soon? Imagine they added Mimic and
Bro, guys.
Guys, imagine they added...
We already got in this.
Bro, guys, imagine they added Mimic and...
Open the door.
Yeah.
Who's right there?
Another way back.
Hold up, it's glitched.
It's not coming. It's not coming. I am.
It's glitched.
You guys in.
Yeah, it's glitched.
You're in the corner.
Server leader just joined.
Yeah. Watch out.
Server leader joined.
Out here.
Server leader.
Guys, I'm stuck in ruin.
Server leader. If somebody dies and starts
You
chasing
guys are in corner
us.
because I'm here.
I'll do the honor.
Buddy.
No, I'm fine. Somebody died to it. Somebody died to it.
Well, let me...
Hey, first now I'll give y'all 5,000 apples. Somebody died to it.
You lit.
Yeah, you just need a hug.
I'm coming, somebody. Just coming, somebody.
Everybody, I dare somebody to jump into his bun.
Liar. That's a lie.
Somebody jump into the...
Oh my god, what happened? What happened?
Go quickly.
God, come up.
We're going to
Guys, open the door. Guys, open the door. Please, open the door, guys. Guys, open the door. Or what? You
Come here.
Server leader, join.
Big burrito bandit.
What am I gonna
The taco
do?
taker.
Big
The
monster kind of looks like Cartoon Cat, but
Yeah, eat my gun.
Wait a minute. Hey, look at that cartoon. Guys,
yeah, it does look like
Guys,
Maybe,
I have a
maybe he's
vicious
Cartoon
idea.
Man. Maybe
Open
he's
the door.
I have a
Cartoon
vicious idea.
Man.
Hold on. First of all,
monster
I'm
does
going
sound
in there.
I have a
and
reason to
then you see the
to
monster,
lock
okay,
people
guys?
out.
Y'all see
Go
he
in
has
there.
blood on his
Go in there and
face?
then go turn it in.
Yeah.
Go turn it in. You can see the monster. Come on.
Someone die into the monster.
Let's go. Guys, what map are you in? No, I am.
Yes, he does.
Leader, join. The monster's like one chameleon feet.
Who is server leader?
Hey, we should map change.
Yeah, we map change.
Not
Everybody
even.
Map change.
Map change.
Map
Map
change.
change. Guys, what map were you in? What map were you in?
Go.
We're doing a map
Alright, so let me go. Maze it is.
Hey, guys, wait, hold on.
Oh, are you here? No, I fell out of the map.
Oh, hell. Hell
I
no.
fell out of the map.
Hell no.
What happened, bro?
The maze
Only monsters.
is fucking terrifying.
Sounds like.
Guys, where are you? You're in the maze?
Yeah, we're
You're in the
going.
maze?
Hey, Purple. Purple, don't leave. Come.
We're gonna die, bro.
Yo, guys, come in here. Get in here.
Hey guys, are you on maze? Guys, are you on maze?
Yes, it's on the other side. It's on the other side. Yeah, the other side.
Everybody
Wait,
map
who's
change,
that?
bro.
Who's that?
Map change.
Where's everyone? Where is everyone? Oh my god.
Alright, so that's a... Okay, I get a little scarier.
Purple,
I've been
purple,
this now
purple,
before.
purple.
I
Look
played
at,
this
hey,
game
purple,
before.
look at the ceiling. Purple, look at the ceiling. Purple, look at the ceiling.
Fuck up.
Purple, look at
What?
the ceiling.
Look up.
Oh, you're stuck. You're stuck. Oh, R.I.P. We're black.
Oh no!
Black.
100%. White, where the did you go?
Bro, why do you choose this map?
Yo, purple.
That was so
You didn't listen, bro.
Oh, there it is. Okay. Alright, guys. So we're ready, right? Like we can see the monster.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Nope.
Yeah.
But guys, I played these games before. I see everything. I see a freaking terrifying moon because the
Okay,
moon's the
red-
planet.
Red
Yes,
is the
the
dumbest
scary moon.
people.
The scary moon. People.
And flower is
Okay, keep going.
They're not here.
I'm scared.
They're not here.
I will never leave you. No, it's not.
Bro, it's not.
No, it's not. You're fucking liar, pencil.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, you got scared. Yeah, you got scared. Yeah, you got scared.
No, we heard something. Why the fuck did you do that? Stop doing that.
He's so corner.
Hey.
Making noise.
Not purple. Not purple. Here's his noise. Not purple. Here's his noise. Here's his noise.
Your mom?
Your mom?
No, it's a dead end.
Where's that bird?
No. Map change.
It's the
Not
same
change.
map. It's the same.
Yeah.
Nothing good.
There's another. Guys, shush.
Run.
Play me, bro, please.
Yo.
Everyone's gonna run.
That's
Down.
Can you be quiet?
I repeat, we're going to that town.
Yes! I
Bro, that town is so loud. Bro, run.
Guys,
No.
run. We're already in run.
Nah, bro, we're going to Death Town.
Yeah, we are already in
Yeah,
Death Town.
we're already in Dead Town. I hear him in Dead Town. But I don't think
Ah,
Dead Town.
you guys.
No, he's at the very top of the building.
Oh, what the fuck is that sound?
That's the
so he's up
monster.
your butt? Okay.
Oh, he's
That's
coming.
it.
That's what
Guys,
he's
look.
Grandma.
Guys, look, do this one. Do this.
Hello, monster. Guys, someone go to Devtown. Someone go to Devtown. Server leader, go to Devtown.
Oh,
Hello, faggot
that
monster.
one.
Hello, faggot monster.
Yeti.
Oh, hello.
Yeti, go to
Hello,
Devtown.
buddy. How
Yeti, go
are
to
you? Let me
Devtown.
kill this guy. Can I
Yeti,
get closer?
You're chopped. You're chopped. You're chopped.
wait, let me get killed by the monster.
No, this guy is not scared. The jump leader is not scary.
Okay.
The music.
What the?
Oh my god.
What is that?
Oh, he stopped moving.
Hell no.
Oh, freak! Ah, let's get your butt down. Get your butt down.
Why did you jump?
Guys, he's stuck. Guys, he's stuck.
Oh my god. He got murdered.
Purple just got eaten.
Hello, monster.
This guy is
Hello, mother. That scared the out of me.
Nah, bro, he got the music on.
Scary.
He got the music on.
I think he's coming, guys.
Oh shit.
This jump scare.
Bro, who's recording the video right now, bro? Who's recording?
I'm scared.
Bro, it's not that scary.
Oh, he's camping. He's camping.
Fun camping.
Wait, purple.
People. Guys,
Purple.
I know what I had to do.
What?
Guys, you gotta run.
You
You gotta go down.
know what you have to do, then you'll know.
Oh, shit. He's not coming. He's not
Oh,
coming.
the guy is coming. He's coming upstairs.
Come on, my daddy.
He's upstairs. He's upstairs.
Big Daddy.
Should we go back to the hotel room, guys? Or should we,
Go back. Go.
The Black Panther behind you. That's scary.
Bro, purple. Hey, purple, are you recording this, bro? Purple, are you recording this, bro?
What are y'all running for?
hold on, where's my fucking recording? Where's my fucking recording?
Purple.
Guys, get your butt up.
Yo. Purple. Yo. Purple.
Guys,
Purple, hey, purple,
I
let's have
dropped
sex.
like
Hey,
I'm
purple, let's
recording
have
right
sex.
now.
Hey, purple, let's have sex. Purple, let's have
Second
sex.
time we can.
you're racist.
I love
I
racism.
get it.
Oh, that's your fault.
How could you?
Hey, why you wanna have sex? Oh,
Yes.
both of this is so
You all got.
Yo, bro, you good? Hey, bro.
Bro, nothing's even funny, you guys are just scared. Bro, nothing's
He's not moving. Oh, shit. I almost got killed.
Map change.
Map change.
Yeah, Matt James. Not Matt James. I love this.
Stuck in here. I like town.
The Death Town is so fun.
I like the Death Town. Guys, he's right. Go to run now. Go to run now.
I already went to run.
Boring.
Bro, I already went to run.
Oh, boring.
Yeah.
Oh, he's right. Yeah, sewer. You're right. You're right, guys. He said sewer.
Sewers!
That's the goal.
Everybody follow me. I know where the monster is. I know where it is.
Show me.
I know where it is.
You know my
I know where
ass.
it is.
What the is that?
This way.
What is it?
He's eating chips.
Someone's eating chips. Someone's eating chips.
What the heck was that?
I eat chips.
Just die to the monster.
Bro, someone's stuck in run. Someone's stuck in run. Bro, just go find a monster and get killed.
I am not fucking scary, dude. Guys, there's a monster with big blood. Hey, guys, there's a monster with big blood. There's a monster with big blood, guys.
Oh shoot, he's coming! Bro, what the frick is that noise? That scared me so bad. That scared me so bad. Sewers! Guys, he's not coming. Guys, he's not coming.
My booty hurts so bad. There's also a BB inside of it.
My asshole hurts. Are you actually? Yo, what?
Booga, booga.
Inside of me. I'm still recording. He's right there. Ugly. Oh, he's so ugly. Oh my god. Bro, why are you so ugly?
No, we're not changing. We're not changing maps. We're not changing maps.
It's gonna start.
Yeah, we're not doing map 2, guys.
Bro, how are
Yeah,
we making
because someone's not in here.
Bro, I can feel it coming. I can,
We'll plan.
bro, I can feel the monster move.
Oh yeah. Laugh with the ugly face. Laugh.
Just get jump scared. Server leader, just join. Monkey, just join.
I'll do it. Oh, ah.
Bro, he's not coming. Who?
I'm not trying to die. Guys, stand back, stand back, stand back, stand back, stand back, stand back.
Monkey.
Stand back, I'll do it.
Server leader, join sewers. Server leader, join sewers. Server leader, join sewers.
Stand ready for my revival. What's up, ugly motherfucker idiot? How are you, buddy?
Purple. I think he will. Purple. He's gonna get mad at
How
you.
are you? Okay. Let's go first. Go first, guys. You go, Pink. Pink, you go first. You go first. You go
Bro,
first. You go
purple.
first.
Purple. I think you made the monster mad, bro. I'm not gonna lie. You made the monster mad.
I'm
What is
mad.
that? Like a tic tac.
Oh my God, that is too loud.
Yo, monster, why don't they have like a tic tac?
Yo, monster. Guys, stand back. Stand back. Watch this.
Monster, are you free?
Yo, monster thing. You're ugly. You're ugly ass motherfucker. You're ugly. You're ugly fat ass.
Yeah.
Voice crack, bro. Because you're not moving.
You're making me
You're not moving at all.
Bro, someone needs to sacrifice.
Nah, wait, purple. Purple. Let me do this.
Hey, can I
No,
take
monster, bro. Be quiet, bro. Oh my god, bro. Monster, you went to the cloud and said, God, can you hear me, bro? Oh my god, bro. What you on about? You stupid ugly ass fake, bro. Oh my god, bro. Look at you, ugly ass head, bro.
Yo, that Pac God humble this kid.
God, I'm coming. Bro, the monster's just wet and you got this there dumb shaped ass. I mean, you had like a goddamn frog yellow.
Oh my god, bro. You look like a next Spots on Gary's mod, bro. Oh my god, bro. You ugly as hell, bro. Oh my god, bro. Why is your eyes is so black, bro? Oh my god, bro. Such a dumb ass, bro. Oh my god. I think I made the monster mad. I think I made the monster mad. Cause she's still not moving.
Click it.
Hey, yo, monster.
It makes it so much.
You know everybody else? He's everybody else.
Guys,
You want to piss your eyeball.
That's the next spot.
Because you're fucking ugly ass fucking eyeball. You dumb ass motherfucker. You dumb ass. Your penis. Your penis, buddy. Your penis.
Monster, you gotta spin in there for everybody press A on your controller.
He's not even moving. Like, he's not even moving.
Press A on your controller and it just
No. You guys hear me out. Wait, guys, hear me out. Guys, hear me out. Wait, guys, hear me out, bro. Bro, monster. You look like you're drinking apple juice, but it's piss, bro. Oh my god, bro, you're so stupid that your mom just walked into the road, bro. Oh my god, bro. What are you talking about? You can't be talking, bro. I roast this monster. I just roast this monster.
Buster, hold my pants, buddy. Buster.
Oh, you guys hear me out.
Hey, my turn.
Mustard.
Man, you bitch.
Oh, wait, guys, hear me out. Wait, guys, hear me out. Everybody, hear me out. Oh my god, bro. Oh, guys, hear me out. Monster, bro. Oh my god.
Should we change map?
Oh, guys, everybody, hear me out. Everybody, hear me out. No, monster, bro. Such a dumbass, bro. Oh my god, bro. You put your hand in the Cheetos. Thought it was she hands. Bro, you're so stupid that you use a hand on the Cheetos. And it got she hands, bro. Oh my god, bro. Look at you, you ugly as hell, bro. Oh my god, bro. What are you talking about? Guys, server leader join.
He's not even coming.
You died.
Sacrifice yourself to make it move.
Someone kill yourself. Kill yourself, people. Someone kill yourself.
Yo.
Hey, the monkey. Oh, there's a monkey over there. Go kill yourself. Wait, kill yourself. Just kill yourself. Go kill yourself.
Yeah, dude, that's what
Yeah, go kill yourself.
Someone get killed. Someone get killed real quick. Someone get killed real quick.
Oh my gosh, Daddy good.
Yo, go on sacrifice.
Daddy suicide.
Just go sacrifice.
Alright, guys,
Go
Daddy
sacrifice. Go sacrifice.
Hey, man,
Go sacrifice.
Like a penis, still
Oh my gosh, Daddy
Go,
suicide.
White, go kill yourself. White, sacrifice. Just walk to the monster and get killed. What you looking at?
Do you want to change
Man,
Hey, yo, man, I'm finna talk to you. Hey, yo, bitch, shit like a penis, yellow shot, that hair, shark face, that tapping some fire.
Get your butt on the monster. Get your butt on the monster.
Yo, say, can you?
Wait a minute. Wait, guys, hold on. Wait, guys, hold on, bro. He got no eyebrows, bro. Oh my god, bro. What you talking about? Nah, bro, you got no eyelashes, bro. Oh my god, bro. What happened to your eye, bro?
Look, he only have one eye because he's so ugly.
Hey, we should join meetup. Meetup fun.
Bro, Meetup kicks you off the game.
What, bro? Shut your ass.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah, Mira kick you out from the game.
No, it doesn't.
Someone get killed by the monster. Someone get killed by the monster so he can move.
Yeah, man.
That's not how. Bro, why do
Bro, someone who raise your hand if your name is Monkey, cause Monkey is a server
Why,
leader.
can you please die? I'll give you $10.
Sewers.
She was. Oh shit.
Oh wait, that's ugly stuffed monster.
Hey, wait. I dropped my quarter right there. Could you please drop down and see if you can pick
You
it up?
look like a poopy head because you're gonna leave. Because you're gonna
Oh, Sue was always
leave.
fat.
You are gonna leave. Because you're gonna
Corn is
have
such ass, bro. I don't know what you're on about.
I'm
doing it, Mario.
It's too ugly. It's eyelashes. Everybody wants to win. Nobody give you because you are you teeth, you eyes, you ass. What's a big dance? You're not a real man.
Should we just map change, guys? It's kind of boring.
Map change.
Yes. Map change.
Ha 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 ha. Oh shoot, someone.
Map change.
Yeah, map change.
Everybody, we
Map
should join meetup. It's so fun.
What's a meetup? No, it ain't.
Meet up. Now let's go to meet up.
Listen, oh my god, everybody,
Who's gonna pick?
meetup. Let's go.
Fuck you, man.
No, it like brings you out of the
Let's
game.
go run. I know, but as a kid, I got a black tic tac and it takes you around the mine. You can meet a bunch of boys.
No, it will
You need to make a code then.
Guys, where should we go? Right.
Hey, guys.
I will go.
You like never try corner. Look, it's corner.
We already did corners.
Let's try corner. Let's try corner.
We already.
Want to go quiet place?
Man, let's do run. Let's do run.
We already did run.
Play run. And it took me 15 minutes.
No, bro.
Get in there now. Let's go to my ass.
Bro, he's lying. You need to get there.
Who wants to go to run?
Wait, let's find crossface revamp. Let's find crossface revamp.
Raise your hand. You want to go to
They
the quiet
revamped the
place?
crawl space. Crawl space. Oh, let's go to crawl space. Let's go to crawl space.
Crossface. Crossface, let's go. They added crossface revamp. They added crossface revamp.
You stupid dick. Guys, go this way.
Guys, come here.
Run, guys. Come on, guys.
Come on, get right here.
How does that mog right?
Bah.
He's right behind you. What the fuck? I died.
Shamalala. Stop, stop, please. Please. Please.
Oh my God.
Oh, go quickly, bro. My no, please. No.
He run like a baby. The little yellow one.
Cross base.
Crawl space. What map are you on? What are we? I have a revamp. Everybody's in crawl space.
Man, I'm dead.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? Sigma?
Brain rot.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Come on, go. Come on, let's go.
Come on, guys. We are the best.
Bro.
Holy warning.
He's so fast.
So bad.
What the Sigma?
What the Sigma?
Fuck you, man. We're gonna get buried by you.
Where?
Calm down, please, with my ball sack.
They are, bro.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the
No, please, bro.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
Chasing me. Oh my gosh, get that mobbed.
What the Sigma?
I'm gonna get mobbed. I'm gonna
Wait,
get
what the
mobbed.
Sigma?
Now I'm going this way.
Let's go. No.
What the Sigma?
Oh, shoot. Oh. No! No! No!
What the Sigma?
Oh my God! Oh, God, where we go?
Cleveland, my Ohio. Please.
Oh my God.
Where's Chris Tyson? I don't even know what that said, but
I'm about to get mogged in 3, 2, 1.
what the
I'm gonna get mad
Oh my God. Bro, don't say that. We're not
The
gonna
guy, no, I've been married a long time ago, but it's a girlfriend, where did you go?
My candy.
I'm a body's
We're gonna get goon, my dude. I'm gonna do it.
Oh my God, so how many?
If they come in, guys, if they come in.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Oh shoot, there's so many.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Bro, go!
What the Sigma?
No, why did I got glitched, bro?
Guys, I help.
Go to spawn.
Army assemble. Army assemble.
What the Sigma?
No! Why are you so fast? No!
Sigma?
Come on, go right here!
Come on. Let's go.
Everybody go!
Come here, guys. You need to. Come here.
Don't leave me. Please
There you
don't
go.
leave me.
Guys, come on, guys. Go. Come on, come on.
La 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 la.
No monkey left behind.
Nigga means love.
Jeremy.
Nobody
No
cannot
monkey
stop
left
me.
behind. Intelligence.
They didn't make a pill like I
Bro, there's a sweat in my eyes.
Look how I come. Look how
Bacon
I
and cheese.
Bacon and cheese.
Where map y'all
Yo,
in?
I'm a
Crossbase rebound.
cross piece.
But this is, but they added, they put,
Ohio maze. I get system. I can smell the skibbity Ohio.
Oh hell.
Map change.
I'm back.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
there's so many.
What the Sigma? What the Sigma?
Thank you so much for watching this video and subscribe to my channel and give me some more views and so I can get the finger painter and an OG Farmer Key Horse for 5 to 7 days, and I'll see you in the next video.